Hi, this is Steve Thomas with SkipperBud's Yacht Center. I'm going to take you through the 1999 Sea Ray 210 Select listed here in Sturgeon Bay, Wisconsin. This boat has a 5-liter Mercruiser engine with 538 hours. Recently cleaned. The boat is stored off-site in Sturgeon Bay, so please call ahead to schedule your appointment. All the upholstery is in great shape. All the canvas is in great shape, recently cleaned. You have a bow windscreen door as well. Another notable feature is the bow fill-in cushion. Boat also has a depth finder. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you.